Every piece of content you created could grow your email list even while you're on vacation. Maybe you're sleeping, or maybe you're just dealing with events going on in your life. Well, guess what? That is not a dream. It's what happens when you batch with a strategy. Okay. So, my name is Kathy Schneider, and here I want to help you today to stop thinking of content as just posts or videos. Okay. Your content should be a 24/7 lead generator, always pointing back to your email list because your list is your business security. Like you own your email list. All right. So here's how batching fuels list growth. Okay. For starters, every YouTube video needs to include a free CTA or call to action to request a free download, a free webinar, a free something in exchange for your viewer's email address. All right. And then to take this a step further, okay, do the same with your blog post. So every blog post needs a button with a CTA, call to action, to request a freebie, to be and then be sure you've embedded the episode video that goes along with the blog post, which remember, it's got a CTA for one of your free offers as well. Then your weekly newsletter, it should have more content than just the links to your blog and video. Now, both have a free offer, remember, but you can include a section in your newsletter that offers the same freebie or another offer as well. And yes, you may be thinking this, most of the readers of your newsletters are already on your email list. But when done right, a few of those readers will forward your email to a coworker or a fellow entrepreneur. Okay. And I hope it goes without saying, but most all of your social media posts and stories should give bite-sized calls to actions to your freebies as well. Now, one core idea is driving traffic across multiple platforms, okay? All leading back to your email list. And if this is all new to you, maybe you don't have a lead magnet yet, or your freebie feels clunky, no worries, okay? Inside the 5 times batch and build template bundle, I show you exactly how to connect your content with the freebie seamlessly, okay? Now, if you want to grab your free copy, I'll drop the link below. All right. But before you get away, growing your list is just the beginning. All right. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take one video and repurpose it into a full week of content. You'll love this next episode. Now, if it's already live, you're going to see it popping up on your screen right up here. I want you to tap it and let's keep going. Okay. Now, if it's not there yet, I don't want you to miss it. So hit subscribe, turn on those notifications, request your free copy of the 5 times batch and build templates bundle, because what that's going to do is it not only obviously will get you my batching workflow and templates, but it's going to add you to my Monday newsletter. This way you will be one of the first to know when the next video and blog post goes live. I'll see you in that next video.